Hello. I hope you guys are well. Happy Sabbath. We're just chilling. We're at the beach, having a nice and chill time. Hello, Mamunchazi. Today, Chibuyile. This is a hello to everyone. The bone and as I haters. Every time the light skin dudes. The haters. We light skin now. I'm serious. I'm serious. Ubalega masa. Ubalega ndo. Yeah, okay. The beach.
Hello.
We're just at the beach. We decided to come to the beach this morning just to have a quiet time. Yeah. When we got here, there was literally, I think, 2 people. But now, yeah, Bakoy. Yeah, on the beach in Vietnam. Sabuli Sanche. Minute? Yeah.
Yeah, I hope you're having a lovely weekend. Yes. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
I begin to
Masihambe ke ngoma lapha. Nto bendize lapha babes kuzofotana nawe. I like honestly, hey guys. Ndiyavusa ekuseni. Uthiwa masihambe. Okay. No masihambe so walk a beach. Lo sisi all along. Stay singene beach. And for what? Bajika. Abomba. Can't vote. So eyona nto endizoyenza mna apha kuzofotana nawe. Ndiyayibona le nto yakho. Undiphethe kakubi, strong and wrong. Thetha uba mna ungathi uvuse. Indoda izilelele kamandi. Ndivuka ndiyabetha uchest yam iplo pa. Masihambe. Sithatha iwalk beach. Siyathatha iwalk? Okay, masihambe. Se-early. Sisekuseni kamandi, sabuye silungise, sibheke enkonzweni. Yeyi! Oko sifikile. Uyaloyika ke lo sisi nelwandle. Uyalibaleka. Awufuni ntoni? Hayi, ndiyavakala. Besizothini apha?
Sizothatha a walk.
Yiwalk le. Oko ndifotana nawe apha. No, this is unfair, Shem. I've been taking pictures. My hand sibhlungu isandla sami man. Ne? Uzondibhatala. Ndifuna uba ne-rate ngo. Create i-rate card. Yabo uzondibhatala sis. Per picture. Xa sigoduka per picture. Safike ndisubmit i-rate card yam ndithi ekuse. Zingakho ipicture endizithathileyo. Bendicela imali engako. As long as we're on the sea. Yes. Yeah. Andikhangeli noma la kuhamba ngalaweni. Ngalawo. Andikhangeli. Ubona izinto zibawela. Eh? Kaloku ndiyicinga nje.
you are still fine. So today is Sunday. So the plan for the day is to do our laundry and do a bit of cleaning up, cooking later, and just preparing for the week ahead. Yeah, so aim is to just relax and take things slow. Luckily, we don't have any load shedding planned out today, so yeah, we won't be rushing for any load shedding schedule. We'll just be doing things slowly and relaxed. Yeah, so yeah, do join us as we prepare for the week ahead. Also, if you haven't subscribed, please do click on the subscribe button, and that way you'll be able to receive notifications for every time we upload our videos. Thank you to everyone who has been supporting us. We are currently at 376 subscribers, and that shows that we are really growing, and thank you so much for supporting our previous videos. If you haven't yet, please do catch up on the other videos, and then you will get to know us. Yeah, hopefully we can also slot in a session where we answer questions. So I did put up a poll on Instagram. You can follow me on Instagram at nkosazana_holumeni. And also I also have a DIY page where I do homemaking, DIY, and also slot in some revamps there and there, but it's mostly a home maintenance page. You can follow me on there as well. It's at DIY_princess_nkosazana. I will put it down here below so that you are able to to type it in so that you're able to search for me. So that's where I put up those questions, and then I ask people to just ask us questions. So I put that up straight after the wedding series, and then people did post some questions for us. So what I'll do is that we will try and see if we can slot in that question and answer session. If we don't, we'll do a separate video for that, but do stay tuned and spend the Sunday with us. See you.
I begin to.
Hi guys, I am now done with the laundry. That was a lot of laundry. And the main reason is because we were traveling last week, you remember? Yes, so we were traveling, so we also had that, and we didn't really have a time to do that during the week. So that's what we're currently that's what we were trying to sort out this weekend. So I just wanted to plug you. So I went to at home. I wanted to get a diffuser, and when I got there was a special running, so I thought, let me just tell you guys about it in case someone is also looking for a diffuser. I'm also currently in the process of looking for a long-lasting one, an affordable one. Please highlight affordable. So hence yeah, I'm just in a process of looking. So I fell in love with this one. It was recommended to me by the assistant at the store, and yeah, I love it so much. So I got these. I'm not sure whether it's going to focus. Let me see, is it focusing? It's actually focusing on me, but basically let me read it out. So it's the wildflower range, at home wildflower range, and it's cherry blossom. It smells amazing. So basically the actual plug is the fact that this is currently going for $1.99, but at this point you can get it for 50% off. So I got two for the price of one, basically. So it's 50% off. If you have your TFG rewards card, use that to pay, and then you'll get an instant 50% off one. So because I'm a diffuser person myself, I thought, okay, let me just get myself two. So I got two for $1.99 instead. So do plug yourselves. It's actually very cute as well. Okay, I have it open here. It's very cute. It's giving, yeah, it's giving nice, cute aesthetics, you know. I'm that kind of person. And also the smell is soft. So I'm a person who, I don't really enjoy strong flowery smells, but this one, as much as it's cherry blossom, it's smooth, it's soft. I can't really describe it, but it's actually giving what it's supposed to give, and I'm very happy. I thought I was going to buy two different diffusers, but I actually got myself two of the same scent. So do plug yourselves, you get 50% off. I'm not sure how long that will last, but I actually didn't check, but it's currently still running. So just carry your TFG rewards card, and you will get in 50% off. I also got myself a knife. Our knives are currently giving us issues, so I got myself a knife here. I'm currently trialing the salt and pepper range. It's promising, but I will give you a review. So this I also got from at home, and yeah, so I got this one, just one knife, because I didn't want to get the whole set and then be disappointed. You know how knives can be so disappointing. So I just got these, and I will be giving you a review on how I find it. Yeah, so basically yeah, I think this is where we'll end our vlog for this weekend. I did mention earlier that we might slot in a question and answer session, but we've decided to actually do a separate video for that, so that we can just focus on that and give it the full attention that it deserves. So if you have any questions for us, so that's basically around the wedding, or you have any questions for us in terms of anything, or just for me in terms of homemaking and stuff like that, you can send us questions. So you can DM me on my Instagram page, or yeah, Instagram page, the ones that I did share earlier, or you can put down any questions you have for us in the comment section, and then we will try by all means to answer those. But the sit down question, since I'm going to be having Mr. TDH with me, I think if you have questions for us, our relationship, anything basically, if you have any questions for us, you can send those through as well. Just write them in the comment section, and we'll see if we can answer those as well. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed our day. It's quite chilled, very chilled, and that was the idea for this weekend, as I did mention, because we had a very busy week, and our weekend was also busy last week. So yeah, thank you so much for sticking through this whole vlog, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much. I can see the growth. We can see the growth. We are so thankful, and I hope that you will join us next time. Do not forget click on the notification bell, and when we upload, you will get a notification of our uploads. Thank you so much for watching.